Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This one is Selena Gomez's song called Adiós. It's an easy song to play because it's only 4 chords and it's the same way through the whole song. The only kind of thing you need to get is the feeling for this song, the rhythm and the strumming pattern. And we also have like one melody kind of going on in this song, which we will include in this tutorial. So let's hit this one. It's 4 chords as I mentioned, and the chords are E minor, and it's open E, 2nd fret A, 2nd fret D, and the rest is open like this. And then we have the A minor, open A string, 2nd fret D, 2nd fret G, 1st fret B, and open E. And then we have the G chord, and this one you have the 3rd fret E, 2nd fret A, open G and D string here. And the last one, I like to have this ring finger on my 3rd fret B string and the 3rd fret E string with my pinky there. So that's the G chord. And the last one is B7, and there you need to bar the 2nd fret like this with your index finger, and you're holding the 4th fret with your ring finger here on the D string and the 4th fret on the B string, and it sounds like this, B7. So, and everything is played with the capo set on the 4th fret to get the right sound here. So if we first start with the chord progression, as I told you, it's the same through the whole song. So E minor, A minor, G, and B7. And the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. And that sounds like this slowly. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And notice here down, I'm playing on the first 2 downs. I'm playing on my bass strings up here. So, like this. And on my last up, up, down, up, I'm playing more on the top strings here, top or middle strings. So. And in standard tempo it sounds like this. And if you heard this last one here, I muted it a little bit, so I use my right hand here to mute the sound a little bit to get the feeling more, not to just ring out. It will be a little bit messy if you just let the strings ring out like this. So in some chords I also use the muting technique with my left hand, so I lift off the strings a little bit so that sound dies a little bit, so to speak. So I work with my both hands here to kind of mute the sound here. So that's for the strumming pattern and chords. So as I mentioned, we also have a little melody going on, which we will include in this chord. So we will build in this one. And in this song the melody changes a little bit, but mostly it's played something like this. I'm just gonna play the melody first for you, and then I'm gonna show you how to play it together with the chords. So the melody is here, starts on the B string, sorry, on the 4th fret here, G string. So what that is, I'm start with my E minor, and as a bridge to the A minor I play, and I land on my A minor. And what that is, I'm holding the chord like this, the E minor, and I'm playing the melody with my little pinky here and my index finger on the B string, and it's first on the 3rd fret here, B string, and you go to the 1st fret, no sorry, 3rd fret B string to the 1st fret B string. And then I'm playing the A minor. Here I'm gonna play 1st fret B string and open B string to land on the G chord. Here I'm gonna just play the strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up, and the B7, down, down, up, down, and instead of the last up, hit this note here on the 4th fret G string. And the same here when I'm playing the first notes here on the E minor to the A minor and from the A minor to the G. Instead of playing the last 2 down up in the strumming pattern, I played the melody notes, which are 2. So instead of down up, I'm playing from the E minor to A minor, and from the A minor, instead of the last down up, I'm playing and then so take some time to get this melody built in and be comfortable with it, but it's actually easier to play it in the real standard tempo than showing this very slow for you guys, but I think you get it this one. Yeah, Selena Gomez, she says adios, and so do I. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, subscribe. It would be very great for me. I would appreciate it a lot, and perhaps only leave a comment and a thumb up if you like it, and as always, play tuned.